Supreme Court will hear a petition seeking the removal of Madhya Pradesh Governor Ram Naresh Yadav for his alleged involvement in the Vyapam scam. A bench of Chief Justice H.L. Dattu and Justices Arun Kumar Mishra and Amitava Roy will hear this and other petitions related to the Vyapam scam on July 9. That Vyapam is a huge scam was not contested before, but as the events have unfolded over the past few years, it has become one of the most bloody ever. Supreme Court agreeing to hear these petitions comes at a time when more and more people with alleged links to the scam or investigating it are being found dead under mysterious circumstances. The body of trainee Sub-Inspector Anamika Kushwahat was found in a lake adjacent to the Police Training Academy in Sagar District Headquarters in Madhya Pradesh. Anamika was recruited through Vyapam a few months ago and was staying at a hostel in the Sagar Police Academy in Madhya Pradesh. Reports suggest she jumped to her death.
को बड़े प्रयास करके तालाब में जो मछुआरे हैं उनको सबको आवाज़ दे करके और उनके सहयोग से और कुछ बच्चे जो तैराकी करना जानते हैं उनके सहयोग से उसको निकलवाया गया और तुरंत फिर हमने शासकीय अस्पताल भेजा। अब उसने ऐसे कदम क्यों उठाया है इसकी जांच के लिए थाना कोतवाली को हमने तुरंत सूचना दे दी थी।
Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan sought to allay apprehensions that her death was related to the Vyapam scam investigations.
वो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है, लेकिन मैं पूरी जिम्मेदारी से ये कह रहा हूँ कि उस दुखद घटना का व्यापम या व्यापम की जांच से कोई संबंध नहीं है और हर ऐसी दुखद घटना को व्यापम से जोड़ना न्याय संगत भी है।
Her death comes after the unexplained death of journalist Akshay Singh, who was inquiring into the Vyapam scam, and that of Jabalpur Medical College Dean Arun Sharma, who was found dead at a hotel in Dwarka in Delhi over the weekend. Madhya Pradesh Parliamentary Affairs Minister Nirottam Mishra said the recent deaths had no connection with the scam.
आज सुबह हमारी बिटिया अनामिका कुशवाहा उसका जब मामला आया तो उसको भी सुबह से कांग्रेस के लोगों के द्वारा व्यापम से जोड़ने की कोशिश की गई, जबकि उसके फादर ने बातचीत के दरमियान स्पष्ट कहा कि उनका पारिवारिक कलह था, पारिवारिक जो उनका विवाद होता है उसके कारण से वो परेशान थी। सीबीआई जांच की मांग भी कांग्रेस के अलावा कोई और नहीं कर रहा है।
The Congress, on the other hand, has upped the ante, reiterating its demand for a CBI probe. The party is now gunning for the scalp of the Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
लगभग 46 लोग इस व्यापम घोटाले से जो प्रत्यक्ष या परोक्ष जुड़े थे वो अपनी जान से हाथ धो चुके हैं। ऐसे में क्या न्याय और सत्यता क्या उनकी मांग ये नहीं है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट मॉनिटर्ड सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन इसकी की जाए?
Although the party says that the matter is in the courts, and if the court decides so, government will not hesitate to comply.
मैं समझता हूं कि इस व्यापम मामले से संबंधित किसी भी जांच को प्रभावित करने वाली चाहे कोई घटना घटित हो अथवा कोई भी व्यक्ति उसे प्रभावित करने की कोशिश करेगा तो मैं पूरी तरह से आश्वस्त हूं कि हाई कोर्ट उसका संज्ञान लेगी।
But the count of the dead has been constantly rising. This has resulted in intense scrutiny of the entire scam and related investigations. The number of people dying in unexplained circumstances is putting pressure on the state government. Add to that, some statements from the government ministers are certainly not making the task of Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan any easier.
मैं मजाक कर रहा था और मैंने उनसे कहा कि तुम पत्रकार बन गए क्योंकि हमसे बड़े हो गए। उसको किसी ने शूट करके और इस संदर्भ से जोड़कर दिखाने की कोशिश की है। मेरा मन बहुत दुखी है।
Madhya Pradesh Professional Examination Board, whose Hindi acronym is Vyapam, has allegedly been involved in a multi-crore rupee professional examination scam benefiting thousands to get selected by illegal means in professional educational institutions and in government jobs. The earliest reported irregularities date back to 2004, but the scale of the scam came to light in 2013, revealing the alleged involvement of several officials and politicians. As of June 2015, more than 2,000 people have been arrested in connection with the scam, including former Education Minister Lakshmikant Sharma, several politicians, recruitment board officials, alleged middlemen, students and their parents. The case is being investigated by a special investigation team which was constituted following a High Court order. The Apex Court had earlier given the SIT 4 months more time to conclude the probe into the case. Many accused and witnesses have died so far in the Vyapam scam, the most high profile of them being Shailesh Yadav, the son of the Madhya Pradesh Governor Ram Naresh Yadav, who was found dead at his father's residence in Mall Avenue area of Lucknow on March 25 this year. Ram Naresh Yadav was himself an accused in the scam before getting relief from court. Newsnight Desk, DD News.